In this video we are going to see that how can we be better at copywriting. So this is very important question. As a copywriter you should ask to yourself, because so many things which you are going to do in your life, which is you need result in that. So if you are a runner, if you run every single day, you need to have those results. You should see the result, because if you don't see the result, you are not going to continue that particular thing. So when you are a copywriter like us, we are beginners, some people are intermediate, some people are very great at copywriting. So what we need to have is that we should see the result. And for looking at the result, we should know that how can we be better at copywriting. There are certain people who can tell you that you need to read books, you need to watch the videos, you need to practice daily. But these all the things, it's a part of the process. We need to understand this thing, that this is a part of the process. You have to read the books in order to be better at skill. Otherwise, if somebody pays you $100 today, so after 5 years also you will work on the $100 only, because your price of the skill will not increase if you don't work hard, if you don't work on your skill. So that's why it's very important for you to understand to how to work on your skill, how to improve that particular skill. So that's why we're making this particular video, that how can we improve copywriting. So first thing which we need to do, we should have the open mind. See, whatever the things which you will do, if you are an actor, if you are a writer like me, if you are a singer, if you are a dancer, if you are a call center executive, if you are a someone who's making the vada pav over in India, who actually makes some snacks in the morning to give to the office people, and make a living from that. Every single thing is a skill, and whenever you want to be better at that particular skill, you need to have that particular open mindset, who's open for learning, who's open for the information. Because if somebody is giving you the information, if you don't have the open mindset, you're not able to grab that particular information. And that is the biggest problem. As a new copywriter, you will be able to see there are certain people who are not great at copywriting like me, but if the source of that particular information, if it is in logic, you can follow that. So that's why you need to have the open mind. There are certain books, read them with open mindset. Whatever the things which you will learn, accept it and follow it, and then came into the conclusion whether it is right or wrong. Don't get into the conclusion without reading that book. Maybe I don't think so, maybe that book is not going to teach me anything. No, don't do that. Because right now if you do that, then your mind is not open for learning, you're just guessing things. And that cooperator is big, he's the great at that particular skill. If he's telling you to follow certain things, you need to follow. If you don't follow, you will not able to see the result. And that's why you need to have the open mindset. If you have the open mind, you are open for learning. But you need to understand one more thing also. You should not have that particular kind of open mind with in front of those people who don't have any respect, who don't have any knowledge, who don't have any skill, who don't have any skill. And if you just follow these people who don't know anything, who are mediocre, and their thoughts are also mediocre, and if you just have the open mindset in front of them, you will also be like them only. So that's why you need to understand where to open mind and where to close the mind. And that's why this thing is going to help you to improve in your copywriting skill. So the sure way to be great at copywriting is to have the open mind. So if you like this video, you just comment down below what one thing which you like in this video. Share with other people who are copywriters, so that we can build a community and we can do certain things about in the copywriting. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Thanks a lot.